Have you always wanted to learn hand lettering? What luck that you found the STAEDTLER Hand Lettering Creator. The Hand Lettering Creator will provide you with the ideal start for hand lettering, and it's perfect for beginners. In the Creator, you will find 3 sections. One for practicing basic strokes and alphabets, one for practicing words and connections, and one for practicing layout and composition. You can download, save, and print all files for free. Personalize pre-made templates and start practicing at your own pace. All in all, the Hand Lettering Creator will accompany you from your first steps in hand lettering through all the way into your lettering journey, from single letters to sophisticated compositions. To dive even deeper into the different lettering styles and the products you need, you will find a free online course at the STAEDTLER website. Choose a section and let's start.